You don't want your feet to look too big.
Do you ever order anything online, like a shirt or a jumper, leggings or something, and Dad? Now, I don't know if that's brilliant or weird.
Where the fuck are you going?
Well,
Just let me do it. It'd be interesting.
Oh,
babe, I wanted to watch him do it.
Toby's so easy, you know, he's just
Fucking idiot.
easy to get
I
on.
really wanted to watch
Do your mum
it.
and Dad love him?
Yeah.
Like a bit too much.
That would have been
like
much better
always
footage
on
for your...
That's
They're
too
just happy
dangerous.
that someone wants to spend time with them.
With them or with you?
It was so exciting.
All of us, the Taylors in general, on a Segway.
Why would you ever go that way?
I didn't know. I wanted to watch what was going to
It's
happen.
like 25 degrees.
Don't park near him, he might tell you off
Well, it's
for a
not
flash cam.
25 degrees here.
And if she was telling me off, then
Oh
she'd
my
be
god, the weather's so
a complete idiot.
crappy. So it's currently
She went in
raining
the wrong
London.
end as well.
It's not
Did you
raining
notice?
in Manchester,
Yeah.
but don't worry.
Maybe she's French.
Your rain is coming. It'll be happening later tonight. And if you really care about it that much, you're going to be.
That's a
you're
cool
gonna
number
see
plate.
it already.
Huh.
But yeah, I had no idea till I
Why
went to
would you
film,
have
and then we're on
such
the
a
floor and they go, right, so this is all kept
expensive
secret,
number
everybody,
plate on a
so
shitty
let's
car?
just bring everyone out. We'll just walk through the scene and blah blah blah. And on comes the person who is the overlord, the head of the band.
So media.
Okay.
Just in case.
There it is again. Listen.
Money back on every pound spent at places like petrol stations, supermarkets, or local restaurants. With a repair
Yeah, but what do you want me to do, like?
everyday credit
They're
card
just in the middle lane for no apparent reason.
22.9% APR variable terms.
And like not even keeping it at a constant speed.
Why is it hot?
It's espresso. It's deep, stretchy, or just simply so.
The word win, followed by your name. Send it to 83936. That's the word win. You've got to start your text with the word win, and then put your name in. Send it to 83936. And send it to 83936. Win, followed by your name. 83936. Win, your name 83936. Good luck. For the next track to text in.
What is the point?
It's 7:32.
Game of Thrones.
Oh, I've no idea, but I'm listening to Walking Dead because it's you.
Walking Dead is wrong. Back to Graham. We will carry on with the theme tune and see if you get it. Let's carry on.
Game of Thrones.
What are you saying?
Game of Thrones.
Is that a guess? No. But what a day. What a day. And it was nice seeing the boys as well. It was nice seeing them and all of that. And it was fun. And if you didn't see it, it was on takeaway. You should be watching them. Well done, by the way. Well, didn't they all do very well in their gig in Florida on Saturday night? You didn't see it. I said, you didn't see it, did you?
Why not?
24, let's play an awesome song.
Don't know where we are.
All time.
Good question. My favourite is Johnny Wilkinson.
Really? Oh, nice one. Alexa, who's the most... South African / Leeds accent you've ever heard?
And how would that go?
Well, it's hard because you meet her and she sounds like she's from Leeds, and then she just goes at every so often. Everyone's birthday, isn't it?
Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, Mary. You're getting old. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, Mary. You're getting old.
Right, it's also Laura's birthday. I'll be 100% sure, honest with you, not 100% sure myself. I think I know what the announcement is, but I'm not 100% sure.
We'll let you know before the announcement.
Please do, so I can actually read it with some gusto.
Yeah, we'll give you a script.
Yeah. So we're just going, is Pippa pregnant?
Wednesday morning on the Chris Miles Show.
Okay. Do they listen?
It's not yet.
Well, your son's mate will just play it after priority play, so that'll be play up quick. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to do that again. You ready? Stereo phonics now. Smoke of the water.
Yeah, I can't do many other songs.
What are you saving?
To classic cars from Bristol.
Yes.
And they would say to the DJs, you know, if you're having a bad day, just refer to the Bible, and it's all there for you.
Yeah.
So you'd look at the Bible, play song number 1, play this jingle, play song number 2, play this jingle, play song number 3, do a short link.
Such an idiot. A bit of a shunt there. He's such a cunt.
What did he do?
Well, he just went from the left-hand lane into this. One way. Why do people do that?
To the morons.
On the radio, what one of them said to describe how he felt about it, except the first one of it was pity. But, you know, said,
Hello?
How fast are you going?
40.
I think you're speeding.
I'm not. 40 on the 40 on the speedo is not 40 in actual life.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it's because you need to go 42 to go 40.
Okay, I'll go 42. Can I go in front?
No,
Why?
because
Okay. And don't go through if it goes right, because then I won't be able to catch you. It's alright. Perhaps it is my windscreen wipers, but maybe it's like vibrating through the bonnet and it's not a noise I can hear, but it's picked up by the phone. Wait for me.
oof.
Now look what's happened.
Well, maybe if you hurried up, seriously.
No, I'm being careful because it's dark and it's raining. There's small lanes. I'm just being safe, okay? What would you rather? I get home at 1 piece or I get home at 500 pieces quickly?
There is a middle ground, isn't there?
What, in a speed limit 30 and I'm going 30?
You were going 20.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. I was looking at the speedo.
What, my speedo? That's very clever.
No, my own.
I'm allowed to drive cautiously. It's a sensible thing to do. We don't have to be erratic.
Do you know your way home?
Yeah, of course I do. I do this better than you.
Okay, I love you.